Hi there. Today I get a new project from Upwork. Actually, my client faced some tracking related issue. This is my client website, and my client basically cryptocurrency course selling person. And this website through my client sells through a course with my client and other clients. And today I fix my client problem through automation via through. And I use mainly automation tools Zapier. And when some user coming in this website and get this course, and this times as a conversion event through coming meta event manager as a server side. Now today I fix this problem, how to solve my client problem and how to fix my client problem, explain step by step. This is my client actual website, and this website build Calvoro funding funnel. This is actually funnel builder, and this website actually built by funnel. And connect that this domain connect this domain when any user get this course, like in this course Calvoro funding pricing panel. When some user get this course, this user jump to another domain. This is actual my client domain, and this is subdomain. Actually this is subdomain URL. Actually this is my client original domain, but this time I capture the FBC cookies through past this subdomain, and as a conversion this event through passing meta event manager via Zapier. This is Zapier, and I create a Zap. This Zap I already create and config all setup. This Zap purpose any event, like anytime any user purchase this course, this time this event through move via Facebook event manager. And also this event parameter coming through Zapier via Zapier and to Facebook event manager. Also I capture some standard event like page view event through GTM. This is actual GTM container, and this times I capture a standard event like page view content. Actually my client requirement. This times when any user click this button, this times my client see as a view content event in Facebook event manager. And I also configure this system through browser side, because this time I use Zapier heavy bill pay as month by month wise. This time my client heavy funding was for this time, and this times I already create a browser event and browser event moving past through meta event manager. And this plugin also completely working. Now I like this system. Now this already Zap history, and I run this Zap and successfully run. This is running time, and I find new record. This is actual new record. And this times I run this Zap. This times smoothly, step by step, passing through even Facebook event manager. Zap already alarm. This request already smoothly fired, and this event smoothly moved to Facebook event manager. And at this times all event capture Facebook event manager, and purchase event coming only server through coming purchase event. This is purchase event, and through conversion API through coming Facebook event manager. And the all event like view content, page view event coming only meta pixel through. Now today I solved my client problem. And if you face same type tracking issue, or if you face any automation related tracking issue and web tracking issue, feel free to reach out me. I always assist you. Thank you.